Hello, my name is Răzvan and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami model, this 3D origami champagne bottle. It is a nice model and with the glass I already make, it is a very nice model. I hope you enjoy it. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate and share my videos. Let's start. This is the rectangular for large 3D origami pieces. You will obtain 32 pieces like this from an A4 piece of paper. The dimensions are 5.4 by 3.6 centimeters and I use normal printer paper 80 grams per square meter. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner and you do not know how to make these 3D origami pieces, you will find a detailed tutorial in the description of the video. And this is the 3D origami piece. Now you can see there is a huge difference between these two 3D origami pieces, and I will transform this. I use 6 pieces connected together in a row, put the edges in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with these pieces and the model will look very nice. I show you how I glue. I use paper solid stick glue and I put some glue inside the pockets and then connect with other pieces like this. I recommend you all to glue all the pieces because without glue these pieces will fall apart. Now for the bottle we will glue black pieces like this. I already put glue inside some of the pieces and we connect pieces like this, all black pieces, until we have 9 pieces in the first row, 8 pieces in the second and 7 pieces in the third row. And in the same time we go with an inverted row here. Inverted means that this round part of the piece is not outside like this, is inside like this. The round part of the piece is here. And I will repeat, we go with 4 rows in the same time, 3 normal rows, these rows, 9 pieces in the first normal row, 8 in the second and 7 in the third, and again 8 inverted pieces here under the first row. Let's see how many pieces we have. Only 8, we need 1 more. And we need 2 parts like this. Now these 2 parts are ready and I will repeat, 9 normal pieces in the first row, 8 in the second and 7 in the third, and here 8 inverted pieces. And now we will glue these two parts together. We put like this one, and we complete with one piece here the second row, and with two normal pieces the third row. And then we put here an inverted piece. Then we go here and we close the circle, and we repeat one piece in the second row, second normal row, and two pieces in the third normal row. And then here we put the last inverted black pieces. And now we have a 3D origami closed base. I say closed base because of this row. If we do not have this row, it is an open base. And we have 18 pieces in each row. Next, we increase the number of pieces in a row. We have 18 and we increase to 27. We increase with 9 pieces. And for this we put one piece like this between the pieces of the previous row, and then we put two pieces above. And with this we increase with one piece the number of pieces. Then we put one normal piece, and then we increase again in the same way. One normal and increase again. And we repeat this until we complete the entire row. And now we have in the last two rows 27 pieces in each row. Next we put an entire black normal row like this, 27 pieces. Next we put an entire normal yellow row, 27 yellow pieces. Next we put 5 normal orange pieces. Then we put 8 yellow pieces. Then we put 6 orange pieces. Now we put 8 yellow pieces again. Next, we put 1 orange piece here. Then we put 4 black pieces. Then again 1 orange. 7 yellow pieces. Then 1 orange. 5 yellow pieces. Then 1 orange. And then again 7 yellow pieces. Next, we put 1 orange piece here, then 1 black, 4 yellow, 1 black, 1 orange, then we put 6 yellow pieces, then 1 orange, 5 yellow, 1 orange, and again 6 . Next, we put 1 orange here, 1 black, 5 yellow, then 1 black, 1 orange, then we put 6 yellow pieces, now 1 orange, 4 yellow, 1 orange, and then again 6 yellow pieces.